Welcome home, everybody. Today we are checking into All-Star Music. We are in the jazz section. Want to give you guys something a little different. We generally show you all of the DVC stuff. We haven't shown any value resorts yet, so come along and join us for a look around All-Star Music in the jazz section. This is our room coming up here. Just one moment. We are in room 9444. And as you enter, you can see you got your little tablet thing, a couple of USB there. You've got a pull down Murphy bed, which has changed. You got a queen size bed over here. So this is a lot different than the last time I stayed in a All-Star Resorts. You got the little fridge, you got your little coffee maker and your ice bucket. They changed the TVs, those are quite a lot larger than last time I stayed here, obviously. And your dresser. And your resort phone. More USB beside the bed and regular plugs. Get some light on the subject here. Underbed storage, which is nice. They're starting to do that with the resorts. More side table, and then another light here. More plugs and USB. On the dresser, we also have on each end regular plugs and USB. Coat rack up here, and interestingly enough, they've done the barn door, sliding door here for the washroom, which was never a thing back when the last time I stayed here. I am going to be honest, the last time I stayed in a value resort was 20 or more years ago. Actually, just after Pop Century opened, I stayed in Pop Century for one night back in 2011. So yeah, that'll tell you how long ago it was. We've updated the showers, big rain shower head up there. The new rolly doors, I like those. Completely huge new mirror with makeup mirror with a light. Iron hairdryer, ironing board, little storage cubby here. So yeah, this is quite a lot different than the last time I stayed in an All-Star Resorts. There's the other half of Magical Vacation Memories, just hanging out waiting for me to get done here.
Oh, the seats. Look at the seats there. And they've got support. They have baseballs and tires and stuff on. I just noticed it.
Looks like film reels,
Baseball.
bowling ball, records.
Huh, that's clever.
Yeah. Let's move the chair out of the way here. Yanking on. Oh, there we go.
I know where I'm sleeping tonight.
Huey, Dewey, and Louie. I'm not a big fan of that animation though. It reminds me of
it is cute with
yeah.
They are cute.
Yeah. I prefer the original
Like that?
animation. No, that's still the new animation too. It's the Mickey's Runaway Railway animation, which I'm not really a fan of, but hey, still nice. So, but yes, this is a look at the room at All-Star Music. This is the jazz building or jazz section. We're in building 9, room 9444. Hope you've enjoyed the room tour. Drop a comment below if you have any questions, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Thanks for watching. Have a fantastic day.